Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add motion blur to your video clips using Adobe Premiere Pro. First, make sure you've added the video clip you want to work with to your timeline. Next, head over to the Effects panel and type Echo into the search box. Drag the echo effect onto your video clip on the timeline. With your video clip still selected, go to the Effect Controls panel. You might notice that the echo effect has brightened up your video, which isn't always desirable. To fix this, change the echo operator to Screen under the echo effect settings. Now, when you play back your clip, you should see a nice motion blur effect. If you'd like to adjust the intensity of the blur, you can tweak the echo time setting. Try setting it to a small positive value. Experiment with different values if you'd like, but make small adjustments since even tiny changes can have a big impact. And that's it for this tutorial. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.